What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at AmFilm's tempered glass screen protector for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. Now you're definitely going to want to stick around for the whole video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how well this screen protector holds up and whether it's worth your time. So let's go ahead and get started. We get 2 installation packets, 2 dust covers, and 2 screen protectors. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you install the screen protector is clean your screen thoroughly with the alcohol wipe. Then once you're done cleaning it with the alcohol wipe, you want to dry it off really well. Then you can take the little dust sticker and remove any dust you might see on the screen. And you can also use these dust removal covers that take care of the whole screen all at once. You simply just put this down on your screen and then peel it up and every single bit of dust should be gone. So this should be a really easy installation. All you need to do is take one of your screen protectors here, make sure that the portion that says top goes toward the top of your phone. Then we just need to peel off the underside cover here, making sure to very carefully not peel up the screen protector with it. Then all we need to do is to put this over the top of our phone, just like that, and then slide your finger slowly up the front, just like this. So once that's down, what I would do very carefully is to hold on the screen protector with your one finger in the little cutout here. Simply pull up on the little tab right here very carefully. And then once you see that the screen protector is down, just lift up on the rest of the way. If we take a look at the screen protector, that was a perfect installation. There are absolutely no bubbles whatsoever. This is a full coverage screen protector as well, and it looks like it should be case friendly because it doesn't come all the way up to the edge of the screen. Very nice. Feels super smooth, just like the glass on the phone itself. Touch working perfectly fine. See how Face ID works. No issues with Face ID. Touch working perfectly fine. Very nice. As you can see, it's crystal clear. Doesn't have any problems seeing through the glass. Go ahead and put the phone in a case. As you can see, it comes pretty much up to the edge of the case, but there is no lifting whatsoever because there's a very slight edge to give your case some wiggle room. So that is a nice screen protector. Very clear. Look at that. Crystal clear. And again, like I said, it doesn't interfere with the sensors either. So let's go ahead and move on to the drop test. All right, so for the drop test, we're going to go ahead and drop this 2.4 ounce steel metal ball, which is pretty heavy, from a height of 2 feet. If it survives 2 feet, we'll then increase it foot by foot until it cracks. Now I also have a tempered glass screen protector underneath the AmFilm screen protector to act as your phone screen, so we're going to see if that survives as well. All right, here we go at 3 feet. All right, we're moving up to 4 feet. Now we're going to move up to 5 feet. 6 feet, here we go. Ooh, 6 feet. So let's go ahead and see if it protected the glass screen protector underneath. And it did. A 6-foot drop. The screen protector protected the screen underneath. So I'm definitely happy with the drop protection. Now let's go ahead and test out the scratch protection. We're going to start off at a level 5. Then move on to a level 6. And then a level 7. Alright, so let's take a closer look. So there are no scratches at a level 5. There are some slight scratches at a level 6 and deeper at a level 7. Definitely on par with all the other screen protectors. I'm definitely happy with the drop protection for the screen protector. Scratch protection's on par with all the other premium screen protectors. Installation was super easy and it's crystal clear. I would definitely recommend the screen protector and I'm going to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So I would definitely recommend this screen protector, and if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.